Okay, so today is August the 3rd, and it is Macy's birthday! Happy birthday!
It's a llama! It's a alpaca! It's a Macy!
So, where are we headed today for Macy's birthday?
No, my can go there.
What was that in English?
My can go there,
We're going to American Girl Doll to get Macy. Yo, we're going to American Girl Doll Yo for Macy's birthday. And then we're going to head to the beach.
Galveston.
In Galveston, last night we went to an Astros game. Yep, dear old dad got to have something, get something out of it. So we got these awesome Craig Biggio Hall of Fame
10,000
plaques, the first 10,000 fans. So we're all about that. So, yeah, so we'll probably, this is our first true family vlog. Right here. So,
yeah. You know what? We should make like our own vlogging series.
Maybe we will. Maybe we will. Maybe we'll do our own family vlog.
Mrs. Chubby Cheeks, and then you underwear.
You can't say that. No. That's why we don't vlog.
Hi, I'm just gonna bathe all my stuffed animals because they asked me to bathe them. I use this nice little. She's been acting really weird lately. Yeah. I don't know why. Okay, well, Mom, you don't need it, John. Yep.
The door, revolving door. She missed you, doors.
Not that door.
Hit it. You didn't get out. She never gets out. Hello, good morning. Ah, yay, she's here. She's made it.
Exploring the mall, and I want to go to Hinton. Oh my God.
Oh, look at that. That's awesome.
Oh, and over
Chair
there.
egg is so cool. Julie's chair egg featured working speakers. I have to get something.
You are?
Yes.
No. It's not your birthday, girl.
They're different. Usually they're just
pajamas.
Oh, it popped out.
Oh, that's what happened.
And then you have to roll it. And it just pushes it out. Wow. Where's the chocolate ice cream? I don't know if they have it.
No chocolate. Oh.
Oh.
She found it.
What in the world are you doing? It's ice cream.
Like to take a little bite?
Hey, Mace, where are we going?
I remember
Macy.
I took you one.
Where are we going?
The beach.
The beach.
Ooh, okay, remember whatever you say. She has a cookie and can. Cookie and chocolate. It's really good. Like remember you said. Here it is. Go faster than that, Mom.
Okay. Oh, there's our room right there.
Yep, over there.
Right there.
Alright, so here's our hotel. The reason why we got this hotel is not for the loud trucks in Texas.
Nope.
It's for what?
To get
The
close
beach.
to the beach.
We're close to the beach. We're here in
Can I do
Galveston.
a fact?
Yeah, do a fact.
Why they built this seawall is because one time the tide was so high.
From what?
From the hurricanes, and it came down, and it came and swept all
Destroyed
of the
the city.
houses.
Destroyed Galveston.
Yeah.
So we're moving from the ocean to now getting some food over here at the Rainforest Cafe. Lots of stuff going on over here. Oh, there's me.
Oh, filming and filming.
Filming and filming.
Yeah.
Volcano is closed due to routine maintenance. Going in. We are going in. I don't even think you can see anything in here.
Whoa.
at the end of the rainbow and a waterfall. Whoa!
And I throw a penny at the man.
She threw a penny at the
evil.
man. I think she was trying to make a wish, but
Yeah. Did you make a wish, Macy?
Hello, my friends and I. We have a special song for you on your birthday. Okay, you're ready? Everybody clap with us. Shout on 3, guys. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday from all of us to you. Let's go, really good for you. Hope you have a super fun today. Hope you have a great day for your rest of the day. Hey!
Yay! Thank you.
Make your wish.
Thank you.
Ready?
All right.
All right, today is our last day of summer vacation trip. Are y'all excited to go home? Well, Macy, what was your favorite part?
SeaWorld. I want SeaWorld too.
SeaWorld too?
What part of SeaWorld?
River Rapids.
River Rapids.
You're gonna get some.
Alright, man, Macy, you have a lot of stuffed animals back there.
Yep.
They all have to go on your trip with us.
And even in the back, I have their luggage and these random stuff and my stuffed animals. Oh. While we were gone, we got lots of garbage pail kids, and then I'm collecting you off the camera. And here is my collection from 2 days. So, yeah.
Whoa, we're starting to see Shopkins everywhere we look. There's Dippy Avocado right there.
Hailey, tell us what's down below.
Riverwalk.
The river walk. Can you walk on that river? Macy,
How deep is that?
how deep is that water? Huh?
4 feet.
Oh, 3 to 4?
Yeah, 3 to 4.
That's not much deep.
No, it's not very deep at all. There's even a Rainforest Cafe on the river walk down below. Okay, so we made it to the Alamo. We're gonna go over there and take a look. Okay. Here we are. We made it. Made it to the Alamo.
Leave down in the comments down below who won the Alamo, the Texans or the Mexican.
Okay. Okay, so there was no filming inside of the Alamo, but now we're outside along the grounds. And so we're just walking around. Macy just held a gun.
Macy, what did you say?
I'm bad and I know.
Oh, I'm bad and I know it.
They told me to say.
Ah, he said to say that.